In this lesson, we will look at how to use the new Tell Me feature. The Tell Me feature is brand new in Word 2016, and the command appears to the right of the ribbon tabs. My last ribbon tab is the View tab, and to the right of there I have a light bulb in which if I hover over, a little text box will appear and tell me what you want to do. When I click inside the text box, I can type in any command that I want to perform within Word. This is very nice for those of you who are looking for document commands in Word, and if you are looking for a command that's maybe a little bit out of the way. Your recently used commands will appear as part of a menu, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the word picture. And once you type in the word picture, you'll have multiple options on how to work with picture. If you click on Insert Picture, it'll take you directly to the command. I'm going to go ahead and click on an image here. I'll go ahead and click Insert at the bottom right corner of the Insert Picture window. And the Tell Me window went ahead and performed all of my commands for me. And that concludes our lesson on how to use the Tell Me feature in Word.